class? How are you? So I think everybody is fine and safe and doing the work, studying your chapter subjects, not even my subject but other subject also. I told you earlier also that we have already finished the chapter, but still I am giving you some algorithms and flowcharts so that you should know how to do it, so that it should be a practice for you and you should go through it, and you should also practice each and every. See the video and try to practice all the algorithm and the flowchart. So today also I will show you some algorithm and flowchart. Please go through this and try to do this. The first question is print the sum and product of two numbers. How to do it in the algorithm? Step 1, start. Step 2, read A and B. Step 3, C is equal to A plus B. First we have to add, then we have to take the product, means multiply. D is equal to A into B. Now listen girls, in computer we use the multiplication sign star, asterisk. Okay. Step 4 already written. Step 5 print C, D. All the. Then step 6 stop. This is algorithm. Now we have to show you the flowchart. Start. Input A comma B. Process C is equal to A plus B. Again process D is equal to A into B. Then print C and D. Then stop. So this is two ways. One I have shown you in the flowchart and then in algorithm. Algorithm step 1 start. Step 2 read AB. Step 3 C is equal to A plus B. First we have to take out the sum. Then D is equal to A into B. Then we have to take out the product. Then step 5 print C and D. Both we have to print also because we have to take out the result. And then step 6 stop. Flowchart start. Input A comma B. Then C is equal to A plus B. Process. Second process D is equal to A into B. Then print C comma D and then stop. This is one program. Okay. Next we will do the next program. Let's see. So next question is print the area of a square. We know the area of a square is A square. Okay. Because 4 area is there. So A into A. Okay. Area is equal to A into A. So here start, read, we take as A only. Okay. Area is equal to A into A. Then print area. Then step 5 stop. Okay. This is one. Then here we will show you A. Then area is equal to A into A. Then print area and then stop. Okay. So this is the another question I have shown you, that start, read A, area, A into A, then print A and then stop. This is another question. Let's see again one more question. So this is another question. Sum and average of 5 numbers. We'll take 5 numbers A, comma B, comma C, comma D, comma E. 5 numbers we have taken. We have to take out the sum first. So sum is equal to A plus B plus C plus D plus E. Okay. Average AVG is equal to sum by 5 print sum comma average. Step 6, stop. Okay, here input A comma B comma C comma D comma E. 5 numbers we have taken. First you have to take out the sum. Sum is equal to A plus B plus C plus D plus E. Okay, then we have to take the average. AVG is equal to sum by 5. Then we have to print that. Print sum comma average, then stop. Okay, this is the another question, that sum and average. We have to take out the sum and average. First take the read. First we have to take the 5 numbers at A, B, C, D, E. Then first we have add the numbers. Then we have taken the average equal to sum by 5 because there are 5 numbers. Then print the sum and average, then stop. In flowchart what we have done, input A comma B, 5 numbers we have taken. Then we have add that process box. In the process box we have done. Then in another process box we have taken the average, and in the output box we have print the result and then stop. So this is the 3 questions which I have shown you. So girls, please go through this problem sums, and again in the next video I will send you some more sums so that you should be habituated about flowchart and algorithm, and it will be easy for you to solve that. Okay, so for today, thank you class. Stay home, stay safe.